He's a little thinner than I would like. I understand. I understand. You know what? He's a little too thin. I'm going to give him another. Okay? Feel the breast. Go under my finger. Feel that?
Yeah.
That keel is a little too thin.
Yeah.
Okay, I would like to get him